this grass is really growing up. Now the GPS says we're what, 1,200 meters? 1,200 feet?
No, I think that was wrong. It's 148 yards.
Folks, this is so, just in a couple of weeks, this is so overgrown. We're not even recognizing it. And when this, Kevin, when this is full of water, forget about it.
Yeah.
Well, that's why I'm excited about a 6 to 9 month deployment. I'm pretty sure this is the way I went.
Are you going to go over that way?
Yeah, this is the way I went. What was the GPS showing?
I'm trying to get it up.
Hold on. Are you getting coverage? Spider webs.
We need to go this way.
Let's go around this fallen tree. I believe I stepped over it right there. That might be the fallen tree right there.
Yep, there's the
Yeah, there's the crooked tree. Now we'll see how much more that tree's been eaten. I'm gonna get some photos of that. I have the original video I took. Hold on.
You have a horsefly in your hand.
Huh? Horsefly is great. Yeah, there are other hobbies. There are other hobbies.
Yes, there are other hobbies, but I prefer this one.
But I wouldn't rather.
I do enjoy the big game of chess.
You tell me. The size of that spider.
Where?
Now, has this been eaten significantly more?
I think this chunk is new here.
That is new.
Yeah, this part is
The original video showed this, but this is new. Definitely.